You're probably paying for ChatGPT Plus, maybe MidJourney, maybe Claude or Gemini Pro, and every month those bills stack up. 20 bucks here, 30 bucks there. Before you know it, you're spending $100, $200 just to access AI tools that, let's be honest, you're not even using half the time. But what if I told you there's a way to cancel every single one of those subscriptions, get access to over 100 AI models and pay once, not monthly, once, ever? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's what I thought too, until I saw what just went public. And now I can't unsee it. Let's talk about the AI subscription trap. It starts innocently. You sign up for ChatGPT because everyone's talking about it. Then you need images, so you get MidJourney. Then you want better writing, so you try Claude. Then you need video, voice, code, and suddenly you're juggling 5, 6, 7 different platforms. Each one has its own login, its own dashboard, its own quirks, and every single one wants $20 to $50 a month. You're spending more time managing subscriptions than actually creating anything. And let's not even talk about the times you forget to cancel and get charged for a tool you haven't touched in weeks. The worst part? You know you're not getting your money's worth, but you're afraid to cancel because what if you need it later? What if that one tool is the key to your breakthrough? So you keep paying, month after month, watching the bills pile up while your bank account gets smaller, and meanwhile the AI companies, they're laughing all the way to the bank because they've got you locked in. And they know it. But here's what changed everything. Someone figured out how to wire all these AI models together, not as separate apps, not as different subscriptions, as one system, one dashboard, one payment. Think about what that actually means. You type a prompt, and instead of one AI answering, you've got ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, MidJourney, and dozens more working together at the same time. One handles the writing, another generates the image, another creates the voiceover. They're all synced, all coordinated, all responding to your single command. It's like having a digital army instead of one soldier. And here's the kicker. This isn't some theory, it's live, right now. People are using it to create content, build businesses, automate their workflows, and yes, make money, all without paying a single monthly fee. The shift isn't just about convenience, it's about power. When you can access every major AI model from one place, you're no longer limited by what one tool can do. You're operating at a level most people can't even afford to reach. And that's the advantage, not just saving money, but unlocking capability. So what is this thing? It's called Synapse AI. And before you roll your eyes thinking it's just another AI tool, hear me out, because this is different. Synapse AI is what's called an AI power grid. It connects over 100 AI models into one centralized platform. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, MidJourney, DeepSeek, Mistral, you name it. They're all wired in. You log in once, you type what you want, and the system routes your request to whichever AI is best suited for that task. If you need text, it uses the best language model. If you need visuals, it taps into image generation. If you need code, it pulls from the top coding AIs. Everything happens in seconds. No app switching, no tab juggling, no trying to remember which platform does what. And the best part? It's a one-time payment. Not monthly, not yearly. Once, you own it. Forever. No more subscription fatigue, no more wondering if you're wasting money. You pay once, and you're done. Now, who's this for? Anyone tired of bleeding money on subscriptions? Content creators who need multiple AI tools. Freelancers who want to offer more services without more overhead. Business owners who want automation without complexity. It's built for people who want results, not another learning curve. All right, let's get practical. How do people actually make money with something like this? First, freelancing. Businesses need content. They need graphics, video scripts, social media posts, email campaigns. And most of them don't have the budget to hire 5 different specialists. But if you can offer all of that from one platform, you become a one-stop shop. Charge per project, $500, $1,000, $2,000 depending on complexity. Do a few of those a month and you've got serious income. Second, content automation. Let's say you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or you're doing affiliate marketing. You need consistent content. With Synapse AI, you can generate articles, thumbnails, video scripts, and social posts in minutes instead of hours. More content means more traffic. More traffic means more sales. Third, digital products. Create templates, build courses, package what the AI generates and sell it. People will pay for shortcuts. If you can show them how to use AI to solve their problems, that's a product. Fourth, agency services. Get the commercial license and offer AI-powered services to clients. Branding, marketing materials, video ads, whatever they need. You're not doing the work manually. You're commanding the AI to do it, and you're keeping 100% of the profit. These aren't pie-in-the-sky ideas. These are real business models that people are running right now. The only difference is they're not paying hundreds of dollars a month in tools. They're paying once. Here's something most people miss. Even if you don't make money immediately, you're building a skill set that's going to matter more and more. AI literacy isn't optional anymore. It's becoming a baseline requirement. Companies want people who can use these tools. Clients want providers who can deliver faster. The job market is shifting toward people who understand how to leverage AI. And the earlier you start, the bigger your lead. Because 5 years from now, everyone will be using AI. But the people who started today, they'll be the ones with experience, with portfolios, with clients, with proof. Every project you create with Synapse AI is practice. Every command you give teaches you how the system thinks. And over time, you build an intuition that most people won't have. You're not just saving money on subscriptions, you're investing in your future positioning. Now I know some of you are thinking, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Fair question. Let me be straight with you. The catch is, it's not magic. You still have to use it. The AI doesn't run your business for you. It's a tool. A powerful one, but still a tool. If you're expecting to pay once and print money without doing anything, you'll be disappointed. But if you're willing to actually learn the platform, experiment with what it can do, and apply it to real projects, then yeah, it's worth it. And if you're worried it's complicated, it's not. You type what you want. The AI does the work. There's no coding, no APIs to connect, no tech setup. It's designed for beginners. Is it perfect? No. Will every output be flawless? No. But that's true of every AI tool. The difference here is you're getting access to all of them instead of just one. So the real question isn't, is this a scam? The real question is, am I actually going to use it? Because if you are, it pays for itself in the first month just in subscription savings alone. Let's imagine what life looks like 6 months from now if you start today. You've canceled every AI subscription. ChatGPT Plus, gone. MidJourney, canceled. Claude Pro, done. You're saving $100, $200, maybe $300 a month. You've created dozens of projects. Maybe you've landed a few clients. Maybe you've automated your own content pipeline. Either way, you're producing more, faster, with less effort. You're not stressed about monthly bills. You're not worried about which tool to use. You just log into one dashboard and get to work. And the best part? You're building momentum. Every project makes the next one easier. Every skill you pick up compounds. A year from now, you're not just saving money. You're making it. Because you positioned yourself early. You learned the tools before everyone else caught on. That's the vision. Not overnight success, but steady, real progress. But here's the reality. This window doesn't stay open forever. Right now, Synapse AI is offering a one-time payment, but that's a launch special. Once it closes, it's going back to a monthly subscription model. And when that happens, you'll be paying $997 a month. So the people who jump on this now, they're locking in lifetime access for less than 1 month's worth of normal subscriptions. The people who wait, they'll pay monthly, forever. And here's the thing. AI isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. Every month, new models launch. New capabilities appear. And with Synapse AI, those updates get added automatically. You don't pay extra. You just wake up with more power. But if you're not in, you miss all of it. So if this makes sense to you, don't wait. Don't tell yourself you'll think about it later, because later it's going to cost you a lot more. Click the link in the description, check out Synapse AI, see if it's right for you. And if it is, lock in your access now before the price changes. The AI revolution is happening. The only question is whether you're going to be part of it or watch from the outside, wishing you had acted when you had the chance. The choice is yours, but make it now.